Gangnam.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to my channel. And we got Brandon right here and Chris in the back right there. I'll put his YouTube channel below once again.
Bro, I just
and
some weird signs that are not even gang signs.
Anyways, we're gonna be heading up to Orlando, which is like a 3-hour drive from where we live, to go see all the big YouTubers at Adam LZ's what is it called? Open House
Toy Drive.
Open House Toy Drive. It's gonna be pretty lit over there. Finally gonna be able to see like Lemonade, Dustin Williams, Adam LZ. Even though I met him one time. I don't know if you guys remember that video. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking so I can save my battery.
Super facts.
Peace out. Yo, what is up? I'm updating you guys right now. We are about 3.7 miles away. What's Chris doing over there? But we're almost at Adam LZ's place, and I know that it was like packed like 30 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago you can say, and the line was long. So I'm hoping once we get there it died down and we can just, you know, go and park if we can even find parking. But anyways, I'm gonna update you guys when we get over there because we're almost there, a couple minutes away, and yeah, see you guys in a little bit.
Eventually.
Alright, we finally made it. We're actually at Walmart. We parked up over there. We're about to walk over to where we're supposed to be going because they blocked off the street. There's way too many people. The cops are blocking it off, so I'm just gonna walk, take a quick trip. Hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, I wish my car was working again. Actually, I'm glad I didn't take it, even though it's not working at the moment, because we couldn't even park inside. Oh look, update number like 3,486. We're almost there. We've been walking for the past, what, 20 minutes? 25
I didn't
minutes.
even feel like that.
And then, I don't even know, probably 10, 15 minutes. We'll keep you
We're
guys
almost
updated
there,
in a little bit.
guys.
Almost there.
We're almost there.
Alright guys, we're finally over here outside of the whole event. We're gonna make our way in. And hopefully we get to see some dope cars.
Are you going?
I'm good. Let's see some
So Jimmy's trying to make me do O's in front of all these people, making me look like a fucking asshole.
You love it.
It's outside.
You practice all the time. What the fuck?
Can I just like hit you in the stomach?
Yeah, hard. How about the arm? The arm. The arm. And we don't gotta do any money on the arm. Hard? Do what you want. Whatever you're comfortable with.
Yeah.
Whatever you're comfortable with.
I guess I'm thinking. I don't know.
Ready? As long as this is on the vlog. Alright. Hey, that was good. Hey, that was nice. CJ. Hey, how's it going, bro?
Nice to meet you.
You guys shouldn't have all came out here to meet me. I know. Florida legend and all, but it's cool.
Take a picture.
For you, dog.
It's like, no,
I'm looking at the
camera.
I couldn't tell what's going on. I see the back of your phone. Hey, what's up?
It's like a matter of
Oh my God.
that blow off is nice.
For the bike. Hey Alberto, can you chill with the two-step just for a little bit so I can talk? Is that cool? All right, thanks, dog. Anyway, I just want to thank everybody for coming out. Woo! I really appreciate. I know a lot of you guys waited really long in line, whether it was to get in the warehouse or to actually get into the event. And I'm sorry that we're so unorganized, but we're doing our best given the space. This is really awesome to see a lot of people out here to support a good cause. If you've seen inside the trailer, it's almost full already of toys, which is amazing. We're going to make a lot of kids Christmas. I can't speak.
All right, so we're gonna head over to the BC racing side. There's a lot of people. You can see people right back behind me, just sitting. But this is a
I'm a
really big
shadow
event,
vlog.
honestly.
So I'm gonna say exactly
Shadow
what you
vlog.
said. So we're heading to the VC.
Eventually.
All right, guys. So
It's your boy Shane, so I'm just here to give you guys an update. We are now, I don't know, you take
Oh
over.
my. All right, guys. So I'm updating you guys. You guys saw basically the whole lot, everything. I went to the BC racing side. I saw Cletus. I saw almost all the YouTubers that you can
We've seen them
think
all.
of.
All
Yeah.
of them, yeah.
From Rudnick to Cletus and TJ and all of them. But anyways, we're just walking over here to see what's going on behind me. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated after the show because I have no battery for my camera.